It's a good day of fishing. Yep, so far I caught the only fish.
See what I can get you.
How's fishing going over there, Trev? Did you get one? Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. Nice fish.
Nice ass largemouth. Ooh, I just got him too.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that one.
Yeah, here.
Oh, nice, man. That's bigger than Caleb's.
Want to measure him?
Here,
You
hold him
sure?
up, Trev.
Come on.
That's Trevor Abbey right there. First fish of the year, isn't it?
Second.
Here, hold it up like this.
Job,
Nice.
bud.
Yeah, good job.
All right, let's run over there. Let's get that thing measured.
Making a little.
No, he's good. Don't. He's
I
hard.
won't let him go.
He's gonna scoop.
Free.
Told you.
You just let him go?
Yeah. All right. Well, this goes for part 5 here. I've been trying to catch that fish all week. Is it right there in front of Cattails? I've been trying to catch him all week and I couldn't get him. Oh, hey, do you see the alligators out there? I got
Pretty good sized largemouth.
2. There's another one. There's 3 alligators out in the pond right now, Connor. You see the alligators out there in the pond?
Yeah. Oh. When they pop up.
What?
Hopefully they don't
3
come
of them
around
out
because
there.
they'll rip it right off.
There's 3 alligators.